Motor vehicle deaths in the United States have decreased greatly since the 1970s. Enforcement of safety laws and advancements in safety technology in vehicles are major drivers for these reductions. Safe and smooth urban mobility is one of the biggest challenges of the 21st century. It can only be achieved thanks to intelligent transport systems. Intelligent cars, city buses, trams, robot taxis, and even flying taxis are innovations that will promote safe, fluid, and seamless traffic. How do future-ready companies design and develop these transport systems? Data is at the heart of it. Engineers need to translate the complex environment of urban traffic into real-world, comprehensive, untampered data. And feed this data into their smart vehicles to validate driving automation algorithms and train the artificial intelligence's neural networks. But the amount of required data is massive. Collecting information about myriads of expected and unexpected traffic situations, possible events, and hazards is a daunting but crucial task.
Simcenter SCAPTOR is a complete integrated solution for capturing raw ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, sensor data. It is the gateway to a smart and efficient ADAS testing workflow.
The process starts with the collection of real-world data. The compact and robust system is designed to fit in any type of vehicle, from the trunk of a private car to the cabin of a tram or bus. Its flexible design always adjusts to testing requirements in terms of data bandwidth, storage capacity needs, or sensor type. It allows for accurate data as timestamping occurs as close as possible to the sensor's location, avoiding delays. It reliably collects terabytes of data from the vehicle sensors, recording urban traffic situations and events for a full day of operation. The Simcenter SCAPTOR integrates a copy station which safely transfers the collected data. From there, the data is ingested into a cloud or on-premise server. In the next step, the solution helps engineers label, sort, and extract the most valuable information from the data. It feeds hardware and software-in-the-loop testing systems with time-synchronous replay of real-world raw data and helps develop and validate future-proof driver's assistance systems and advanced driving automation algorithms. Smart data collection is a cornerstone of intelligent transport systems design and development. It is a challenging task, yet a crucial element of the vehicle's closed-loop development process. Thanks to Simcenter SCAPTOR, you're certain to obtain flawless data quality at all times. The open and scalable solution is future-proof and accommodates all current and future testing needs, even connecting to novel types of sensors as these become available. Develop smarter transport systems today and help shape the future of mobility. Explore more solutions on our Simcenter website.